Hi, I'm Kenneth. This video is about my ideal tribe. It shows the kind of people I want to be with in the future because I believe that who we surround ourselves with shapes who we become. My ideal tribe is made up of supportive friends and mentors and family. They are disciplined, respectful, and goal-oriented. They value honesty, growth, faith, and self-improvement. These are people who encourage me to better instead of pulling me down. I imagine us together in a calm but productive place like a cafe, studio, or workspace. This place is important because it represents focus, space, and growth, peace, and my appearance and attitude. In this future, I am dressed simply but confidently. I carry myself with discipline, respect, and self-confidence. My attitude shows maturity and focus toward my goals. We support one another during challenges and celebrate each other's success. When problems arise, we solve them calmly and responsibly. We treat each other with kindness and accountability. This is my ideal tribe because they help me grow as a person. With them, I am becoming more disciplined, confident, and purposeful. Choosing the right people means choosing the right future. Yun lang, and sana may natutunan kayo sa may ideal tribe. Ito yung mga gusto kong makasama in the future after 10 years. And sa mga pwede kong